Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll help you fix the issue of Coinbase not showing your crypto balance, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Reason 1, app or browser glitch. Sometimes the Coinbase app or website may fail to load balances due to temporary bugs or poor internet. Fix, force close the app and reopen it, or try logging in from a different browser or device. Reason 2, outdated app version. Running an old version of Coinbase can cause display issues. Fix, go to the App Store or Google Play and update Coinbase to the latest version. Reason 3, network congestion or sync delay. Blockchain data might take time to sync, especially after a new transaction. Fix, wait a few minutes and refresh the page. You can also check the Blockchain Explorer to confirm your balance. Reason 4, viewing the wrong wallet. Coinbase supports multiple wallets, including the main exchange and the Coinbase Wallet app. Make sure you're checking the correct app and the right wallet address. Reason 5, account restrictions or holds. If Coinbase has temporarily locked part of your funds, they won't show in your spendable balance. Fix, visit your account notifications or email to resolve any restrictions or pending verifications. Tip, if none of these work, contact Coinbase support and provide screenshots for faster assistance. And that's it. Now you know how to troubleshoot a missing balance in your Coinbase account in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.